In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Unranked in Rainbow Six Siege. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about all of the playlists and game modes available in Rainbow Six Siege and how you can play Unranked, meaning that you will be able to play without affecting your elo or ranking in competitive. So all that you have to do is click on play, and in here you will see some main modes. So you have training, quick play, and then tactical. Tactical is going to be catered towards the people who take Rainbow Six Siege Elite a little bit more seriously. But if you just want to goof around and have fun, quick play is going to be by far the best option. So as you can see under quick match, you will be able to find a variety of modes. So you have bomb, secure area, hostage, and this one has no quitting penalties. So if you just want to have a little bit of fun and leave if you are not having fun, this is going to be by far the best option. So go into game, play in maps to double check, and if you are satisfied, just start matchmaking. You also have arcade, which once again, this differs from standard game play. They have some alternative game modes, so like weapon roulette, free-for-all, deathmatch, and golden gun. So once again, if you just want to run around, have fun, and shoot a lot of people with different guns, this might be the best option. And then they have a little event for Halloween here called Doctor's Curse. Now, if you want to do unranked, but you want to take it a little bit more seriously, then the best course of action is going to be standard. There used to be a mode called unranked in Rainbow Six Siege, but that was actually replaced by standard. So in standard, you do have quitting penalties, so you can't just join this and leave if you want to. It is recommended that you join this if you really want to play Rainbow Six Siege, but you don't want to affect your ranking. And as you can see, the game modes are going to be the more serious ones. So you have the bomb game mode. Teams attack or defend bomb sites. So all that you have to do is go ahead and matchmake. Of course, the one that affects your ranking is going to be ranked, and then over here you have Siege Cup, which is more catered towards the people who really take Rainbow Six Siege seriously and want to join bracket tournaments. But all that you have to do to play unranked is to either play standard if you want a more serious experience, or go over to quick play and choose from any of these modes here. I hope I was able to help you on how to play unranked Rainbow Six Siege. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.